One of the major parts that the investors pay attention to is the ratios. I'm going to be talking more about ratios. Ratios are very, very, very important in your fundamental analysis. Gives you a quick overview of metrics about the company. Investors really love to use this. You don't have to be an accountant. You don't have to get worried that you are not an accountant. All these things are just information churned out to you to be able to make more informed decisions, right? So look at the ratios. For instance, you are comparing one item on your financial statement with another item. So, for instance, here the PE ratio, a popular PE ratio, which is like price to earnings. So you are comparing the price and the earnings. The figure you get will give you a relationship between the two of them. And you can see here it's 14. It's also being compared with the industry. Then you have valuation ratios, you have profitability ratios to know how profitable the business is, per share data, management effectiveness. You can see a lot of data on ratios. So I was going to talk about ratios really very well in my subsequent videos. If you want to know how well the company is paying dividends, you can also find that out here on the the financials of the company. You can see the trend. 5 years Over 5 years, the dividend payout has grown almost over 16%. You can also see when the payments for these dividends are being made, and you can see the trend. So other data here, you can check out earnings, how the earnings of the company is going. You can also see that here at a glance. All right. So like I said, you can get more quantitative data here, but if you are going to do more of qualitative, like understanding this management structure, the leadership structure, you can always see that on the financial statement. If you also want to, you can get notes to the account on this website, you have to rely on the financial statement. So that's why I have to show you how to do that manually, as well as how to do that on investing.com.